Fiama kwatama klo dase say also dia be do sa point we non kore pepepe ye pije mu kwasiada ye de ani kire say wa onim dada Adom TV festival of 9 lessons and carols and baka just say carrot it you lessons you na carrots or grow we and you listen about kwa me say carrots nti ko we carrots no no it the MRF it's going to be exciting no say sua de so nkokra ticket no pe bi ato a so person turn online me ji abotre de amana make star 713 star 713 star 003 hash na fi wa select one na wa select Adom TV festival of 9 lessons and carols na fi what ticket no baby I will be a relax your office with free baby I should be and which matter online sound so na make I say and which is no the NTS say background say ye wo nipa wono be mo watimi ase ware ho ni bi egu omo asua de sonko bi ho so kra unhia omo da you know kuma wood stars do na unhia mo da yeah ye wo adwuma he bi a wahwe ye ti ya unhia ye da nti yen so ye be ba beta kire kwan sonko so unhia dada santos unhia michael afrani unhia awoya otele konfo colleague unhia temuda salinko shefo don little wayosi Osha Matildas Asare onyina eba ama bia timi akokama me so auto advance ticket na 30 cedis 30 Ghana cedi is very very important onyame de Kenya National Theatre kwasiada we 18th of December 2022 nimekuwa eso asema jumedi wetimi akokama kama maye no your CD low price masters durable and affordable Tumirak Herbal Center RSFE Rockstead's roofing system, the key to your roofing needs. Duffy's Health and Beauty, the hand of God. Core Mixture, the medicine that works. Compu Ghana, passion for technology. KFC, it's finger licking good. Monty Ventures, the pride of Africa. Yum Vita, infant cereal with milk. ADB, truly agric and more. Mensua Herbal, just okay, Franco Trading Enterprise, phone Papa Fee, Mikado Conference Center, service unlimited. And live on 2 feminine wash. Stay fresh to impress. Calipo. Abi, you know that. And I feel Midima for Herbal Clinic. And also, I saw Kwanso Koso. Until Marin Fee, Patrona, Total, so when you be on Oba, Joy FM, Multimedia, Joy FM, premise also, and also. Ubenya be at all. Adom TV Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols 2022 Afibia de Bro, and it's exciting, an experience you can't and you shouldn't miss. Very very important. Now back to studio. Now Makai also say, now we on the 30th and 31st of this very month, December, I have a homecoming. It may be on the 1st of January 2023. Yeah, they bro in Tishanen. So 30th, 31st of December 2022. Now for Yakubi on the 1st of January 2023. Homecoming. For this year, a chichini bench, more country, more Ghana. Baby, I'll to be out for this year, Biano, or more dear for each fee. Na Yenko fee, Yenko CC fee, Yenko Twadron in India. We have the business summit, womb, the church, and my baby, and dear phone I've been for. You are grow a good year can be brewed. You miss a half or so on bonfire night, Ebeyajima, live band session. It is a Temusa, Nanamus Webuja, Kessia Pa, Jumedi, His Excellency another Danko Kufuado, Anafi, or Teko Koso, or 2482, Muna, Jumedi, one baby Grace, Yama, Biako Kama. I am for near him, near Titunano, a Damunina Masi, local organizing committee, and then Era Gamma, CU Bichim United, Dr. Anafi, Nana Baswa, members of parliament under the able leadership of the regional minister, George Boache. We are so grateful. Dennis Miracles Aboache, Director of Local Government and Rural Development at the Presidency at Nasi. Sansona Lawyer Chumberima Okwendi Samanyu Konusha Onoso at Nasi. Lawyer, the Intia me Pensemenu Eddie Dikane ye. Me buy a name se wona menu Dikane di sa common on. Amanyo semna ye and yen to your boss na. Into Tunio May. My own say, Yen Common, a woman, but me see if you are because Ghana, Yan Common be more than the end. You be this common because we are major stakeholders in this country and a potential government in waiting. Nti nyoma bi there dia as say dia ankopo na em hihye etimi kasa bi we kaya metina hala me ka kire wo say saa manyo sema ye ya ehwinhwan ye ho si fom wie ni asa ba be ka kire wo say e nuane abusua no me de enya ni so ma me ha adwene. After Cape Coast, lots of revelations are a mamo party no somehow bibi e wo honom no. For instance, no Adom FM4 Era Johnson Asiedu Nketia ninkomo bi okodi e abeto abonten eno anso ho a eno behwe the find that the worker at anima NDC went to court without figures because of coalition system crashed Asiedu Nketia dekase. At this point, they now be prescribed our party.
All right, thank you. Sorry. And apparently, I'm coming I share for. Asiedu Nketia tape, you know, it would be wrong on the part of anybody to take it halfway. I think it's about almost a 15-minute tape. Material. And he was talking to party people, obviously. The man who said, I was on the style of campaign now here this time, you know, as compared to some other candidates, or no constituency. Sorry, man. Or constituency to constituency, and then as some other candidates in this be one way in a cluster. But no, you know, constituency be what I'm told, and say, "Oh, could do or no more didn't come over or ma a coin and my ubusan question." No, that's what you want. That is what I'm told. Now, you and I know very well, sir, and your party member, whether it's an executive or whatever, and she said, "Nketia and that's one opportunity to put a question when you answer." But what's answering me, say, when it comes to your elections, and then when some about 2020, many are those who have different perceptions and ideas, mindset be about an see beyond the okay. Many are in group what you can say, young court without evidence, and you have to be uncle. What to be? So obviously, I was not surprised when we are Kusha party for. So that's not a mention. You get not so quite so much for Mr. Question. People will be asking that kind of questions because they are the brain on TV behind the curtain. In the winner penny, obviously a reasonable party member. Sorry. Will ask, say, hey, and some year the some part in the city, and the person would like to get some kind of better and detailed explanation to them. So, in time, I say, a better so we be the entire tape, and son won't make a judgment on it, and not take it in halfway. Because to do an interpretation on anything, whether a document or whatever, take it as a whole. Seeing in an we are not the one some you know say was he really talking?
The main interest cry as a party. What's really happening?
In terms of
Nyoma Motu to go about I am piani or personally.
Oh no, and I'm mature. I was to say, and the money be ever wanting shouldn't first of all come out. I will blame those who are recording and taking them out.
But the case of Sammy and Pablo and Bojaja. Oh, I want to go one year different. Yeah. Mamini can tell you what I want to say first. The recording the carbon is wrong because the national chairman Besamo constituency. National, sorry, General Secretary Ebesra constituency na se bia mo region no mudi party na mudi party mo nkomo nkomo mudi ani nya abonten nkomo tie ne ba e fi asem party nkomo de edi question no busa it's not necessarily an external matter na say students matter for the matter biara e fi asem party mo asem we da ya kan what ya what bi mbb before the trade da pada bia what be so if somebody ask a national organizer, ask a general secretary, ask a national chairman, say that I don't think there's anything wrong. But where I see something wrong is the one who will record and try to play mischief with it and then be throwing it out into the public domain. Because number to them we didn't come on. More what you want NDC for. Mostly executives. And maybe you may find party sympathizers and be about anymore or executive there. But if you come on the in this Abishapani Betransi, near of an annual court. No, Mr. Bushansa see edge. O can see any. No, you Busha for and Trimma, think about it. So that's it. I mean, personally, I don't see anything wrong with that. And then some no can tell because it's 79 years, no, we are no better questions. Sense no can see in a sense. Since the other, obviously, he's lying.
But since we are, then as a political party, we make sure that they see and even see. On the other hand, my key advice is say those who are in the front line who are communicating for both sides, should just be decorous with their words and comments. In the sense that, I say, "Yenkum jafo enu jasa na banifo kan." In this, we share me meeting now. I say, "Oba super me jama dio." Now, at the corner now, what's for me? Watch now. Be careful. Be careful. Say banifo say, "Obi much na." Nyagopon kwa ni ma wo ochina mu. As human, we don't know. And this, you are careful. Na ye can send be a woman die nim. To send be to go abonten. Na wochina. Wunya brenu sama tene bi mu tene ye mpani se ba bia no ase wakodo atene wontere nkodo eno ntine se me kan sam na de o tie mi nda cameraman na ogyina wateko cameraman ya ogyina mani mu na me hunda me ta ba ono me nsia nda fa se na me kan bi wa na so teko na me ba the next time bi ni me nsia no a woni wo de ko
jodo de ne ko dada
se me samba me chi betene no a want so that is why you need to be careful with whatever we are saying, whether for someone or against someone. And a animal will be in some of us, personally, I decided to tell me that kind of open support, open declaration, maybe. Because my principle is very simple. In a political party, every Sunday canary is a royal.
In the political party.
In the political party. And you need position be a group penny. Like a national chairman there, Chuma Bush and Kwan Edi. No. Unlike I in someone, you are a kunabi at Dabusiabimu. Asantimamu, Asantina Kuna at Ayukufon Edi. Now, so you kunia or Ukrum Tapa. And the Babes Akunano, Ayukunia or Damensia. And the Jimmy. So what I say? But in the political party, somebody can come from Paga down to Accra and be contest national chairman and win. So once you are fit and proper character-wise, who are considered to be a preposition BAB. Name ya pre no, yen share ye kasamu, ya ni yemu, said ya ye ria. You make me a kay who abua. I back, I pre Cassian is enim na yepeno. But you know, to end on that, now I'll borrow a word meaning I used to the last time you buy. I was saying a bichum.
When you
okay. Yeah. Emotion is one of those things. You do me say no, yeah, prenoa. I gidindoso.
But I'm done no kasa. So we need to stop this kind of politics.
I agree.
In some way, we need to find change.
It's true. And me want to say. So one no patra. I say no more baby. And no me say one more kasa ni very careful whatever they say, whether for or against. I agree with you perfectly. Because why I'm sure kasa ni here. Try to travel pro man. Ya na wonu see abetana da bia. Wonu see so kwa. There are people who take excerpts of your some edit to YouTube.
Yes.
Me kwa me bebre. Yeah. They take excerpts of that and put it there. They are making their money from it anyway. Yeah. But do you know the effect? The effect is that some be bekan wa. It's there. Watch now. Somebody will just go and pull it and just put it like environment. No, I can't do vacancy officer can be found. So we need to be careful. Whether I'm saying it for you or I'm saying it against you, no, me you know we should be careful. Because Kaun say me that I just swallow consider area. Yapon. A jebo, jana nya bedo wie. A fiatin any abofo no.
Fe de akadiaka.
Akadiaka. Na se de aka no, se wo kasa tie ofo sambo bebre, wo kasa tie Asiedu Nketia bebre ya. Wo hia na so na wi ni ya ba ndie.
Okay. So Miracle.
When you are su transit na can I so su transit.
We say we assembly we. Now I come now. Me see I fit na say me come na so.
O pass bia.
Me head on we are na bonse omo we are na. O my me bo minua George Operado Pablo Abaso. And you see there's a certain dangerous pretense bia your politicians say and the data your followers. And I think say it's high time a woman no any opportunity be can and I think yesterday I listened to him and he did justice to a lot of the issues. Almighty NDC for me come fie bebre. NDC for ba me fie bebre. MPP for ekwa NDC for penny for fie bebre. NDC penny for ekwa bebre. E gina yedi agro.
So side politics
we me call elections are NDC4 ebi ye posters mo ebi ye flyers mo almost all elections are ye posters maybe mo ye flyers maybe mo because you see all party internal elections no emfa me ho wodia affect me so media affect you nti say wo call internal elections and me come internal election now be boa me a you haven't done anything extraordinary. You are helping me and as I'm helping you based on a personal relationship you're heading. So what is this thing about NDC phone come as a woman as a we Matisse say Asiedu Nketia so for Ofosu-Ampofo and Asiedu for MPP mu and I say na Pablo down for MPP mu. Omo kan omo nyina na fofo. Say me ka say omo mo accuse Pablo, omo mo accuse Ofo. Me ka say ye bobo mu din a and ye yi CCTV cameras aba. Omo nyina bo so mo ba. Yes ye call mo ho. Because you see as from political party na ye no ene interparty ni intraparty ni different party internal issues no different from party abonten relationship. There's no way I'm a person lawyer chum be win elections but see we na say e di anwa mo bom a e be di ebom it is a me lawyer chum di anwa mo after this show and then just the oka ayi na me ne ya adwen me ne nya adwen say na me ko ati say from day one I knew say Pablo will win the elections. Not because Pablo can ever give power to the NDC. And I say Pablo is a friend to the MPP. But he is a good guy. And me can't say I support Pablo. And so we need that or now more you down now say nipa no me kono me kodi na dey as MC. Enti ebe me de say me nua bema say me ne ko share o platform kra na ye counter ye ho a oye me nua me ne ye den e kan wan na mpese na busu ne be ko nanim. NDC ni mu no don't we have family members in NDC ya omo ebusuafo MPP na John Jinapo kra ya NDC ni ya na Pablo na ya NDC ni John Jinapo na ni nua be man nipo eye MPP cabinet minister no why are we doing this to us why are we picking and choosing ye ni MPP for ananse ya MPP NDC contest ba ko call national chair ba ko call youth organizer we MPP ntafo anya ayi what is wrong with that? Why are we doing this? Why are we doing this to ourselves? Who am posters? They look alike. Almost a why have we said Bakono Plafa, Bakono youth organizer poster on the corner. Pablo is a good one. Me, you bought me the SMC. The QAP Pablo, or no nebe far assembly ho NDC members in no petututu. No be so means him. No the miko jino mo nim. E wo NDC constituency chairman fie. No catch NDC assembly members and say me ni. More confirmation. Me, out of the 78 votes at the assembly, I got 76.
And you're tuning for MPP?
Yeah, tuning for MPP. And they're any more. So I catch it and I say, problems in the air. So what do you say? It's Obi say no, Obi Pablo, Obi say no. Or yeah, me predecessor MC cry from board the boy me. Until say me be muso be the president. Na say o ko akodi me ka say Emmanuel ko. Now you have my Pablo every me. And the party wants them. Yanfa man, I am family. It is a party ni moon sem no mokofa nipa ba ko na say unia wo mu dia. Ade na yanfa man na yanfa way. He is a good guy and me I knew he was going to win. Because see, before I went to replace Pablo in Equiapem North, he was very young. Pablo ko DMC, I think he was like 25 years.
He's young.
Yeah, say what he has here. And on say Pablo be the youth organizer, obetumi my MPP and NDC win election and MPP lose election. But NDC mu no omo kwakọ yi obi no me nua onu fi me krom Equiapem e ka ho me ntumi nkokọ mbọ mpa ye so onlusu na yemfa mo bi foforo no eden me nimu no empo sa asamo ba between the MPP and NDC na ye pese ye so bia me se metumi afa phone wo bi nua na man bi sa anana nkrofo no mu yesi we dey mbo man no ehwe ne ne me so me ne nkrofo be eden e be kasa what is wrong with that mo twa bonus for almost 4 months. You wasted people's emotions. Some people in this country actually believed the NDC won the elections that they were cheated. Some people in this country actually believed the NDC had the case. And yet you were standing in the court in all your glory, trying to let everybody in this country believe, say, you are lawyer Chachuti Kata. You know everything and the judges are cheating you. And we run down the only, your friend is saying, arm of government, protected simply because of your parochial interest. Why couldn't you just go to your members and tell them say I feel you into me and on the day I think 8th or 9th December time 9 this for your protest me na me office war number 16 so the radio one Inti me ba. Eja ye ba betie and find out we ni akwaji ani. Me share white MPP logo bo ha. Me do region about one. NDC fu egu na ebu omu kura no. Afi na me yem hyehyɛ me. I have to remove my shirt. E ka me singlet. Na me simiti ase. We do run about it because if they had seen me, I am coming to a boy. Why? Because they were there on the belief said they were winning the elections.
Their members of parliament was.
They were all there. Omu nanti from parliament ko easy. I'm telling you, omu nanti from ho ko easy. Asema mi ke ho, a very serious matter. Na ho, ama yosem no. Asa ye na dey agro, na dey ato nchai. Elsewhere, anko before for crab to me say see when this dankasa. Why do you do that to all of us? Somebody will win, somebody will lose. Don't put don't hold the entire country at ransom simply because of one personal interest. You mislead your followers and draw the entire country along. And no problem, what's the sound lawyers? Some ranting in Eko good bakumu. Lawyers, so MPP, NDC lawyers bear 300. Mudi no mudi na Eko good bakumu. Ina mo year judiciary no mo yo mo passa. You call them names.
It's not true.
Let me batch myself. Didn't we hear it? It was didn't we hear it? When they came out, didn't we hear all the things they said about the judiciary? I didn't mean to kind.
John Mahama Kushian and
this one running judiciary down.
No, he didn't be one more judiciary.
He didn't.
I was there. You have your chance. Oh, then you were there.
I want to two days unanimous.
Oh yes, I know there. We and I said call UPSA.
No, unanimous.
Now some call another your friend is saying conference.
The point is that maybe the president was misled. Based on what Asiedu Nketia.
No, they said Asiedu Nketia can't say they were misled. It means that it was a boardroom decision to mislead their followers and the country. Because what he's saying is that you be say any results. It's he decided yes there. There will be a from common chachu. You don't quite na chachu say ade no hwe nim. Nti yemfa bifu. Na ye ma chachu kokot. Mo be kaya nti na me kokot e bisa me se man fa hwe ama. Nti ke yemfa yi si dem na me bisa bisa no. So jam ko ati ase. So they knew that you remember said one of the strongest points that was made in court by the MPP was that the NDC were there on a fishing expedition and they denied. You remember? And then the NDC consistently said, so long as Jan Mensah was not brought into the box, Nature said there's been some travesty of justice. and that Jan Mensah should be brought into the box. So the question, and the lawyer Seneca said, Debbie, Rasa, this is a work as I was samaba. Now we can be to me so that me feel say me to me defend me one of my heading. And you remember correctly, say the entire judgment by the courts at the Supreme Court was purely based on the fact that the NDC did not adduce much evidence in their case. And they called them names. In fact, recently, John Mahama in the NDC tried to make everybody in Ghana and the global world believe said there was something wrong with our judiciary. They owe us an apology. They owe their followers an apology. Now, maybe I say, NDC ni bemen be no wa obet me man broken heart. Because name mo to be so me when this one come Saturday to me say me de ma ho de ma koma nyina edi party echi me wan gdie say me party winning elections ekura me ba me de no si ekura to me now fe last wa be gina manim ka chem say fe de obeso di chairman ne mo wo pese o ka no kra bi kire me say ade na wo ye ni nyina na opia me kogu abonti nyina say wo boa na de kum me kra ma me trust the NDC followers me hu so mo ye legends and say Asiedu Nketia kasa wiye what is on Mpensenpensemu no hey the other boy mu nyina yi o kasa wiye no say oh no mu ni evidence eti no okokot no ka chom so no kra oni hwe na oni de on twantro so kai o say me de mu ni say me twantro ti me ka che court ne say ma fa hwe ama no mo Mpensenpensemu pa hey legends
Amani yeah 2020 elections na be a campaign chairman for Fanjakwa South constituency. There is one thing that I can confirm, which is should I call it a jam or a non-function of the system? At some point, now the means of transmitting the results from the constituency. One Sunday, I think they gave all constituencies certain number of phones. Yeah, on radio. And I can attest to the fact that at some point in the night, it was not functioning. What's the So we have to develop another means of getting our manual results and getting to know what has happened. And no elections in the sea. Miami Crum for the first time when I'm a tour. Might be a sea on police station. I want 5 p.m. in the bomb. That's a home. Ya can ban we hasn't moved to other place. O man ni one year sorting we and I'm agent and academic lawyer. The person sign call for race sorting. I'm so why not? It's within your right to be son. I mean na on front saying presiding officer was in charge, the one in charge at the police station and sign. Okay, I branch and so no not it was proving a bit difficult. But let me stay am for so by. Guess what? Was I sorting ni parliamentary one for instance. Na member candidate no e vote for MPP ni obo
what evidence were him
money we
what evidence were him
money we
then is serious keke then make you understand
Dennis
because Dennis
other money we
Dennis ultimate 30 so Dennis what evidence were
Dennis Mr. Mikrom Jemie
you know
Open Achim Abompe post office police station. Tieni.
Wadawma.
Yeah, go to 818.
You were not there. Why you there? Money make Achim there. Opa. Tieni. Achim Abompe.
We don't want you.
Achim Abompe post office police station. I will Corona Bond. We do Corona Bond. Post office police station.
So what was the challenge there?
Challenge us.
Okay, can we? No, you can catch it.
Because we are now was I resorting. We saw that many parliamentary candidates need vote. Some of his votes. Well, I could even need him.
No.
What are you talking about?
And the election.
Now, who you always say? I mean,
me panel just say.
I
Oboa omo kinkan wie no ana o say kinkan ma ebiem
say short ni dem on kan granko on kan short ni come first
efrain
exactly
o end this ni oboa
what would you want
only evidence
oboa listen right see me say oboa I don't want to dive into that oboa ma onim I'm saying e bia na asem e me kwa da o man ntemi oboa you were here when MPP went to court in 2013
really
they told us that there were 200 and something police stations, no, 20 something police stations are unknown to them.
Yeah.
But Omia was given pink sheet at the court. And he was asked to confirm whether or not said an MPP agent signed. And he said yes. Are you serious as a political party?
Yeah, the pink sheet score. Are
you serious as a political party? You go to court and tell the court said there were unknown police stations to you as a political party. But would you get a quarter of the
the pink sheet score.
Are you serious?
Yeah, the police score.
You took agent to that police station. Paid that agent.
They all can.
What does it?
Or say.
You see?
Yes,
I just want to hit. The same 2013. The same 2013. They were in court. They told the court that the EC has duplicated serial numbers. They had quadruplicated the serial numbers. To a certain at some point, Anderson has to withdraw over 700 evidence from the court. Were you serious? How can a serious party like yourself, a serious political party like yourself, you go to court and tell the court that you are easy for no duplicate serial numbers? No, quadruplicate. At some point, do you know why KPMG came in? KPMG said, and turn on the nose. So let's audit the pinches. Chachu called for that, and it was audited. You audited, you know. Out of 10,000 something pieces that one must see and the court, you know. KPMG say, 8,000 something, but never pay for Nedma. Are you serious? Can you say you are serious? A political party like MPP, I must be one of the best players in this country. You go to court and mess up like this, and then you are telling us, and this is going on the figures. One of the figures, no. Go and look at the ruling. Go and look at the ruling for that duplicate serial numbers. It was 9-0.
Okay.
Why? It means that all the 9 judges who sat on the matter felt that we were talking rubbish. Excuse my language. Again, on issues of evidence, on no police stations, the ruling again was 9-0. Because how can something be unknown to you, but you took somebody there who sat there, you paid the person Utia ne ka agent bia kwa wa nye ko be 100 cedis.
Abiri wani sunti na wo.
What you say? And then you sit in court and tell us say agent bia ko na wunnim say e police station point one for bia ko. And the amount prices from me ade.
Let's no.
She so na ka tell say prices no bobo agent say wo so no kire. Ana bo mu nyina di. And people nika wo se han. Na ko tan we samai.
Okay, so what
are you talking about? Let's not go there. Let's not go there. No. Over Masamba. If we have to remain on this matter, if you come again.
You done two, I've done one.
On this matter. I'm telling you. No problem. Then I was okay.
I mean, control.
Please. And they must be telling me now. This matter.
What are you
talking about?
One shank me microphone no cry. O my me can say metro. Ye court no. Ye photocopies of pink sheet e won nyina in every polling station. In ye raise ye issues nyina na e come court. Say ye double counting. Ye no obi bia yen. Ye evidence ye kura ni. It is up to court say obehwe. Say evidence na e kura no. Papa na papa. Ye say aha ye kan ye no na ye 10,000 omo ye 1,000 ye evidence die aha ye kan ye no na ye 5 omo ye 50 ye evidence die so what you say na wo be TV so say na be krom ye ni see ya o evidence way nti na make say we mo no I book here to be to me chom da me na nka me be TV so kura nkasa court die ye nka say wo kwa obedi bim me nka say ndisi fo kura evidence na nko medi bim na mum uti Asiedu Nketia asem na it's not about whether omo the P sheet kwa ya na omo amfa nkwa na ye double count no or say ade no ye ni bi krampo na de akọ and so ye call court. That is the basis. You see, they cannot bamboozle all of us to ignore the facts. Utieti say hey no kra ne say o call court na unkra hey ye kwa na ye kra bibi na mo ye D4 wo D4 unkra hey wo wi no so say the court na tem ye D4 na ndi o matem is a difference enti no atiem ni ade metena say omo ye legends me bi tutu
So Sunday 18th of December, Sunday day, me question the anima. Adom TV Festival of Nine Lessons and Carols, really bro. Take it near Church Ghana City. We did about bachelor total. Joy FM answer. We be at now. For you, person turn online, sit in your comfort and then buy it. *713 *003 hash. Or select one now for Adom TV Festival of Nine Lessons and Carols. Now for what to ticket. In share honum and you may know so pepe na bibia ekoso National Theatre into be share 24 BMOG ne equia actual Memorial Youth Square and afi shefo don let no makanyina na masaka so the 30th and 31st of December I have homecoming your festival no e be the 1st January 2023 Mr. Russian so enkoni ko CC fi ne mo ama bibia ntimi nko kama emfa emman so Lawyer Chumberima Wanum says Dennis Miracle to Abuajesu. I think we have to wrap up because you can see a cordia, but I was going to say there seems to be a good a signal is now you see can say or fun at home DB at the bar. Now she says we do December 22.
Do any other?
Adom
when Yadiana
Ebroso.
I did 3.47 and I'm 12 when Yadi. Ah? When the person who is in charge today was telling you said 3.47 and you have bad leaders of the day could do. Na say 1-1. And then no time I baby do 12 when you say when you have number.
So na baby anka odi koyi.
Baby anka hande bro.
Baby anka.
Me in charge. In charge of anything no. One day na to so no we in charge. One day could do 15 and baby do 12 when you have.
Ye bompai se be hwan ba.
One bompai. And I don't boy and I boy we dey
bompai say be hwan.
Ya na for. O kan
Ghana for.
Into kan
NBC
into kan
of course.
So when you say dollar 3.47 347 pesos. Yeah, jump up to 15 or 16 and also I was at 12 point something. We say when you say about from when the person told you say it should have been 1-1. That's what he said. He's on video. What's that second 1-1 1 CD $1 pepe then the obi enwia na nyonko bia and now what am 12-13 who just say what you say na bia see I won't give him even 2/10 when he told me say it should have been 1-1
we keep lecturer because we want to into a grades na easy man 2 cry.
Me manage even 2 over 10.
I see.
My reason is very simple. O ma hene. O ma meti ase say. And the second turn even 3.47 input to $1. I agree. Because I mean say $1 na body. Eh obi sika one no. Say we na Ghana na ka say 1 cedi. It the same thing. I no dey one no. For whatever reason e ho ba ya den a che me dey one no. Ama na me hia me dey no 10 near chire no say be 13 na 12. Ansa na betime konyo no dey baako. Ana wo ka tire say ama mo boni ni ene je boni nti na masa ye dey ne kwa kodu say 3 ne 3.47 na ye ton sa no. It wo president kasa. Na wo president ba na twema kodu 16. And na tiaba be do say 12 point something. And I was saying me hu rating. Saying
And 11.50.
11.50 fine. So for example almost 12 cities. Okay? And that's a what the other 12 cities. You think we should be singing praises for you?
Okay.
I can't. Because according to your own words, we say one that time near papa. Can't even train in Pania.
I'm a castle boy.
So boy the obo kan ko.
O just say, "Sana I can't know."
To me back be wo obo anti kan. Anyway, o my dey tell say when it comes to these issues dollar and those remember catch up. I think last week we can not chumo say economy in some no affect you na. It me there. Maybe you do know. I think say whatever it is that is happening, whether a domestic, a global, we are seeing progress. And we should all speak positive to it. Because on my last week, next time I send $500 because to you. At the last month, $500 be now okay, baby a number. Now should be a number. I think $1,000 as at October. Then I'm almost about 16,000 Ghana cedis, and then I'm 11,000. That's 5,000 Ghana cedis savings. And see, obviously, say you go so ekasa positively. Now say you kasa diseni alo chumuke. I think say between do single digit. So I just say. Now I mean, okasa ba menka so transfer. Oh my, the figures in transfer. Ye ba bemu, NDC ba bemu 2009 January. Now dollar 4.4. So it's there. 2009 January. Now 4.4. So 1.1 cedi. Let me say it. When we came to power,
1 cedi 1 peso.
Oh, please. When we came to power in 2017, it was 4.4. So I'm going to say now 1 cedi 10 pesos. And NDC a better no fee MPP ho. 2017 they do 4.4. So I just say yeah. As at January this year, now 6.2. And the Bank of Ghana.
As at January
this year, 6.2.
6.2.
January this year. And see, you are aware I said this year is depreciated about 54% within a period of about 7 or 8 months. So what you say? And now it's recovered at about 20%. We still have some 34% recovery to do to at least bring us to where we were in January this year. And then we continue to work towards it. Maybe the exchange rate won't change it because a cut here better. You share effect that any of so a positive effect. In the last month or so, you have for almost 3 times. And then me no ka say nyame adom abaye china and echinichi Friday no fu wo be say aba fam bio. Okay. This is the number 24 cities. And Bachoeba. And now Babe do be 16 cities, I can 15. Maybe the American say, wow, would you say the air corner, it affects politically into to mean cancer and pampa, no problem. So, but yeah, let's say Ghana phone, you know, say, baby, you do no, you who progress, at least for the first time in the history of this country. You who exchange rate at Akosra, SI back. Right, Medasi. In the Mbwana, Mr. between you. Oh, young folk, and I've a page. That's one person.